Come in, sir.
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Give your paper here.
Sir.
Give it here.
Yes.
Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Suraj Kumar.
Naik Behra, sir.
Suraj Kumar.
Naik Behra.
Naik Behra.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. You passed out from OEC.
Yes, Odisha Engineering College.
What is your subject? Discipline?
So civil engineering, sir.
Civil.
Yes, sir.
2016.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing all these 5 years?
Sir, after my graduation, sir, I work as a teacher in a private institution, sir, where I used to teach aptitude and reasoning. Thereafter, sir, I went for full-fledged preparation, and I did my self-study from 2017 to 18, and then I moved to Delhi, sir. From there onwards, I'm staying at Delhi and doing my preparation. At now, sir, I'm pursuing masters in sociology from Indira Gandhi Open University.
Okay. So, you know, this petrol, diesel prices,
Sir?
petrol, diesel, cooking gas
Yes, sir.
prices.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
You debate on that.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Keep your points.
Yes, sir. Actually, it is the rise in, you are saying about the rise in petrol and diesel prices, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, it happened after lockdown, sir. The service tax, but it has doubled in the previous lockdown. And that is the reason, not just only center, but also state, sir. So that is the reason why it became very, very high, sir. And apart from that, international market, sir, initially it was around $160 per barrel, but sir, it has increased after they have cut down their production, sir. And that is the reason why it has become very high, sir.
Yes, so taxation system is not, has not increased.
So taxation system, it is
Taxes.
also,
I mean, it was previously 2% tax.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it is 2.5 or 3.
yes, sir.
Or the taxation percentage is same in the state and the
No,
center.
sir, state and center impose different tax on.
So different tax, but
Yeah.
is it increasing?
Yes, sir, it is increasing, sir.
So that is a reason again. Apart from your market,
Yes, sir, that
your
is also,
taxes.
that is also the reason, sir. Not just increase, sir, it has doubled, sir. Like around.
Then what is your opinion about it?
Sir,
Should we reduce the tax?
sir, but this the government have also said about that, sir. Because of COVID crisis, they need certain revenue, sir. So
That is something different.
yes, sir.
In one side there is an open market,
Yes,
global
sir.
market for that,
Yes, sir.
and the other side is your government.
Yes, sir.
So how can we give the people a relief, or is it justified?
So it is not justified, sir.
It's not justified.
So it is considering the economy and the still considering the economy of India, sir, and it is around 102 rupees, sir. So it should be curtailed a little bit, sir. We should.
No, it's not a little bit matter. Whether it has to go down, and if it has to go down, it has to go down by the taxes.
Yes,
You
sir.
don't have any control over the market.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir.
if you wanted it coming down, you have to reduce your tax.
Yes, sir.
Will it be justified?
Sir, reduction can be justified, sir.
Justified.
Yes, sir.
You should.
Yes, sir. We should reduce the tax.
What is the percentage of people paying tax, income tax?
Sir, around only 4%, sir.
Then
Sir, but it is more of indirect tax, sir, and
it is already GST through across the country.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So even then, there are people avoiding taxes, and only 4% of the total community pays the tax.
Yes, sir.
Then how to
Sir,
grow an economy?
yes, sir, but we have to focus more on direct taxation system, sir. Like we should reduce the tax so that the tax bracket can be, the people falling in the tax
Income
bracket.
tax is something different.
Sir?
But this is a direct tax.
So petrol is indirect tax.
Indirect. It's an utility. You purchase it, pay it. Done. It's not indirect tax.
Yes, sir.
Now, has it been brought under the GST fold? Has it been brought under the GST?
It is not brought under GST, but sir, so petrol is not under GST.
Why not?
Why not? Why
It
not?
was very recently it was debated on.
Why not? Why it has not been brought under the
Sir,
fold
because
of-
it is the source of revenue for states as well as.
Okay.
So when you think of the revenue of the state, you forget purchasing this Rafales, you forget about going for Atmanirbhar, you forget about strengthening your defense system. You forget about strengthening your
Sir,
infrastructure,
but
communication
I agree, sir.
infrastructure.
Agree, sir. I agree, sir. But the problem is, it has increased all of a
You
sudden,
tell me
sir.
on way out. If I reduce here,
Yes,
tell me
sir.
my revenue. From where should I get the revenue for all this?
Sir, what I feel, sir, the direct taxation system, the taxation system, the bracket can be increased, sir. That's through public campaign or through awareness, sir. Because
You mean income tax.
yes, sir, direct taxation, income tax and
So you
corporate.
want to charge more on the income taxpayers.
No, sir, not more on the, sir. We can reduce that so that more people can be part of the tax bracket.
So
that
it is directly you want to levy the income tax. There are 96% people avoiding it. They're not falling in that bracket.
yes, sir.
How far can you go stretching it? You can bring in 4% to 14%, 24%. What about the rest 76%?
Yes, sir.
Is there any way out?
Sir, I still feel that, sir, the taxation in the petrol and diesel that have increased in recent past,
No,
sir.
you
It
feel
is
it, but you don't justify.
okay, sir. So considering the COVID crisis, it can be
Be in the
justified.
place of Navin Patnaik,
Yes, sir.
the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, obviously, sir, I will increase that so more revenue can be.
You want to look after the progress of the state. No infrastructure, no communication, no
Sir-
health, no education. Where from the revenue will come?
Yes, sir. That's. Sir, we have to bring a balance
You are
between.
right.
Yes, sir.
You are right. I was just reading your brain.
Okay, sir.
You are right with your opinion. It's all right.
Yes, sir.
The freebies provided by government.
Yes. Sir, can I open my mask, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm having a health issue, sir. That is.
Okay. Okay. As an administrative officer,
Yes, sir.
you find out that in your blog,
Yes,
as a
sir.
video, in your blog, you find out that at least 1,000 people, 1,000 families, those have taken false identity
False
of
identity.
BPL.
Okay,
They have
sir.
already earned BPL
Yes, sir.
category, giving false informations,
Yes, sir.
and they are getting different type of freebies.
Yes, sir.
Within that particular community, those who have already taken that,
Yes, sir.
there are some high-ranking political people.
Yes, sir.
There are some people, those who belongs to a higher class caste
Yes.
people, and equally there are lot of people, those who are in the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe families,
Yes, sir.
but they have concealed their income.
Okay, sir.
What will be your role? To whom you will first target
Okay, sir.
as video
Yes, sir. First, I will
to
target.
eradicate this particular?
Yes, sir. First, I will target the higher class people, sir, and those are having political relationship. I will target them. Then I will target the higher caste people. At last, I will go for SCs and STs.
Now you will blindly go.
All of them will target you and you are nowhere. You are nowhere.
No, sir.
You target me, they will also target you.
Yes, sir.
It's a very tricky question I wanted to put you.
Okay, sir.
This way, in case an administrative officer
Yes,
targets particular class, there is every possibility that he will fail and you will be shifted.
Okay,
You
sir.
cannot execute that.
Yes, sir.
In case you target every one of them,
Okay,
from
sir.
4% from higher class, 4% from middle segment, 4% from the down products, those who have already cheated,
Yes.
then everybody is affected.
Yes. Sir.
So you cannot be questioned.
Yes. Sir.
Out of your innocence, out of your simplicity, you wanted
Okay, sir.
wanted to establish that the higher class people, those are politically connected, they can be targeted first. That will be wrong.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this type of question, situation questions may come to you.
Yes.
Okay, next. Another simple thing. As a Tahsildar,
Yes, sir.
you are called by a police officer
Yes, sir.
to go to a particular house where there is a dowry death.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You know, all dowry deaths
Yes.
are to be inquested
Yes,
by the
sir.
police,
Yes,
and the executive magistrate will
Yes,
sign
yes,
on
sir.
the inquest.
Yes. Sir.
He will, as witness, in presence of executive magistrate, the inquest will be made. Dead body.
Yes.
In all dowry death cases. Another site, there is a communal class
Okay, sir.
within two villages.
Okay, sir.
Communal class. Communal class has already been reported to you where your presence is required. A dowry death dead body is already there. The police officer has arrived in your residence or office with a vehicle. Sir, you please come and we'll have to inquest the dead body.
Yes, sir.
Which area will visit first?
Sir, first I will visit the area of communal clash because sir, the people involving in that area are quite high, sir. And apart from that, there are two villages involved, sir. The casualty rate would be very, very high, sir. That would be, I would like to stop that, sir. I would like to bring that under control. Then I will move to the dowry death case, or else, sir, if possible, then I will send someone others so that the dowry death, he can report me about the dowry death case, and later on I will visit that, sir.
You know, hold your hands.
Okay.
Pray.
You be confident. Holding hands means you are submitting everything.
Okay.
Don't submit yourself.
Don't trust your hands.
Okay.
Just you can keep it very relaxed.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, you're not giving a presentation.
Okay, sir.
You're answering the question.
Okay. So, in your opinion, you will visit the communal incident
Yes,
first.
sir. Communal incident first.
Okay. What is your opinion about if a administrative officer?
Yes,
What are the actions to be taken by administrative officer to curb down this communal violence? Already it has been reported. What will be your role? What action you will take?
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, sir, I would like to say that, sir, the senior members of the community, I will integrate them. So I will take information about them, sir, and create a consensus between different class and different caste or different religions, sir. The senior members of the community do play a major role in, so, sir, connecting to them at the initial step to curtailing a communal violence. And apart from that, sir, if I have to take certain rigid measures, then I will do that, sir.
Let me specify.
Like,
There is a communal violence
yes, sir.
between Muslim community and Hindu community
Yes,
in
sir.
Bhadrak, and you are
Yes, sir.
sub-collector Bhadrak.
Yes, sir.
What will be your role?
Sir, so
You tell me 5 points.
okay, sure. Sir, first I will check the public gathering, sir. If 2 to 3 people, if they gather, so I will first of all I will check that, sir. I will try to curtail that because all communal gatherings happens in a group, sir. So I will first of all control that.
Next, number 2.
Yes, sir. The second thing will be, sir, I will try to build a consensus, sir. I will try to call upon the leaders of that particular group so that it can be resolved peacefully. And apart from that, sir, if I have to put the police action, sir, for
That means number 3.
yes, sir, police action. So I would like to say it is number 2, sir. Then police action will be number 2, and third would be the political association, sir. Apart from that, sir, in a long-term solution, I would like to say that educating the people would be a long-term solution.
Number 4.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Only 1 point is left for you.
Yes, sir. Sir,
I have given a situation that communal violence has already taken place.
yes, sir.
Will you not go for any preventive action there?
Yes, sir. I will.
Preventive action में क्या करोगे आप?
Sir, first.
You'll have to pick up some. There must be a police action first.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Will you not suggest your counterpart, police officer, sub-regional police officer,
Yes, sir.
to at least deploy police patrolling teams?
Okay.
Number 2, peace committees. Peace committees. Who else are there to be taken as peace committee members?
So, I don't know, sir.
Priests from other communities. ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି ହିନ୍ଦୁ ଏବଂ ମୁସଲିମ
Okay, sure.
ହିନ୍ଦୁ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯାହାକୁ ଧର୍ମଗୁରୁ ମାନୁଥିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
Yes.
ପିସ୍ କମିଟିରେ ନେବେ।
Yes, sir. Religious.
ମୁସଲିମ ମାନଙ୍କର ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ହେଡ୍ ଯୋଉମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେବେ।
Okay,
ଆପଣ
sir.
ଲିଡର ଯୋଉଟା କହିଲେ
Okay.
that means you are bit
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
diverting.
Yes, sir.
Leaders କହିଲେ leaders are always there, but always the leaders doesn't command.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They involve themselves, but they don't command. They don't be physically present there.
Yes.
Either they instigate or they abet the thing, but they remain behind the screen. Religious heads, their role is much more important.
Yes.
People emotionally, they obey the command of the religious head.
Yes. So what
Some
will be the-
situations.
Sir, fifth point, sir, like
Peace committees is a must.
yes, sir. Please communication. Okay, sir.
Without peace
So
committee,
can I mention that educating? I cannot mention. Sir. Okay, sir.
instantly when it has
Sorry, Lord. Acha, what are your optional papers?
So first optional is sociology and second is history, sir.
History.
Yes, sir.
Acha. From your resume, it is revealed that you were in New Delhi from 2018 to 2021.
Yes, sir. I'm
What were you doing there?
sir. I am preparing for civil services, sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir. I did prepare for
You
UPS.
have appeared. Now you will be
Yeah,
appearing.
I appeared 2019 mains, sir. So I appeared 2 times UPSC. Then it is second attempt in state service. sir.
You have cleared your prelim.
UPS?
Last year you are clear.
No, sir. I didn't
You
clear.
couldn't clear.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This time you will be
This
appearing
time.
once again
Yes.
on 10th of October.
Yes.
I think prelim exam for UPSC is scheduled to be held
So
on.
I have appeared 2 times in 2018 and 19, and I will appear for this year examination in 10th October.
So you are taking up this preparation,
Yes, sir.
civil service preparation, such. Okay. Do you have any idea about double jeopardy? Double jeopardy. Have you ever heard the name of double jeopardy?
Yes, sir. It is related to civil engineering, sir. Double geopile.
Hey, you are preparing.
Okay, double jeopardy, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
is that?
Sir, it is mentioned under Article 20 of the Constitution. Sir, a person cannot be punished for same crime more than once, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
it's very correct.
Yes.
Then why did you change your? He knows that. Don't be afraid. Be comfortable. You are, suppose you have not properly heard the question from the interview board members. Sir, kindly repeat
Yes.
so that they will repeat it. Hello. That is double jeopardy under Article 20 of the Part 3 of the Indian Constitution and fundamental rights.
Yes, sir.
Would you get what is the difference between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy?
Yes, sir. Fundamental
What is the
rights.
basic difference?
Yes, sir. It is more of a citizen-centric, sir. And directive principle are the directives given to states.
Yes.
These are the basic. And apart from that, sir, it is justiciable, sir, fundamental rights, sir. For violation of fundamental rights, you can directly go to Supreme Court or High Court under 32 or 226 of the Constitution.
Very
And-
good.
Yes, sir. And apart from that, sir, for DPSP, sir, you have not that provision. But you can, like sir, you can, but if that has been implemented under legal rights, you can visit to the High Court under 226 of the Constitution, sir.
That is justiciable, it is not justiciable.
Not
in the
justiciable.
court of law. If any of the provisions of DPSP is violated, you cannot go to the court of law.
Yes, sir.
That is to the
Yes,
High
sir.
Court or the Supreme Court under Article 226 and 32.
Yes.
See, 32 for the High Court, to the High Court.
So 32 for Supreme Court, 226 is
Yes.
the High Court.
Acha. There is another provision added to this directive principles of state policy. What is that? Fundamental?
Fundamental duties, sir.
Under which part?
So part 4A, sir.
Part 4A.
51A of the Constitution has been
But
added.
tell me 2-3 fundamental duties.
Sir, first to prevent the derogatory practice against women, sir, and to improve the scientific temper and the places of national importance should be preserved, sir. These are the, and apart from that, sir, there are provisions related to wildlife, animals and birds. So these are the certain fundamental duties.
I see. How the President of India is elected?
Sir, he is elected by the process of indirect election, sir, and the electoral college constitutes the members of the parliament and members of the state legislative assembly, sir.
Members of parliament.
Yes, sir, members of parliament,
Or only-
elected members of the
Yes,
parliament, sir.
elected members
Yeah,
of the
not the
parliament.
nominated members.
There are also nominated members in Rajya Sabha.
Yes.
In Lok Sabha also from
Yes.
two from Anglo-Indian community, and they cannot participate in the election of the
Yes.
president. Yes, tell me.
So they cannot participate, but they can be participate in the removal.
Tell me, this consists of elected members of the parliament, then
And state legislative assembly, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir.
this much.
Yes, sir. The
By
election
means of a
by means of proportional representation, by means of single transferable vote,
system.
single transferable vote, sir.
Yes, single
Yes, sir.
transferable vote system.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, where I need to improve, sir, like.
And one thing you said, it's a health issue. So let me open my mask.
No, sir. Actually,
It is for the time being.
sir. Actually,
If
yesterday.
if it is then there, don't say this.
Okay, sir.
I just want to get rid of my mask.
Thanks, sir.
Don't give some health issue. Okay.
This health issues don't expose you, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
Okay,
you tell me that, sir, I'm not comfortable. Can I
Okay, sir.
open and express? That you can say. But everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. You need to more sizable. I mean, very topic should be very specific. I mean, your answer should be very specific and pinpointed.
Okay, sir.
Don't try to elaborate.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that will be good. Fine. Otherwise, it's perfect.
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Good luck, good luck.
Thank you.